Plant FAQs, Carex Woodii. Hi, Ferbvu here. As a plant enthusiast, I constantly come across interesting and unique species. Today, we're diving deep into Carex Woodii, also known as pretty sedge. This little guy might not be a showstopper with vibrant blooms, but its subtle beauty and adaptability make it a valuable addition to any garden. See more 2,324 species in genus Carex at monsteraholic.com. What is Carex Woodii? Carex woodii is a perennial sedge native to eastern North America. It boasts fine-textured, light green foliage that adds a graceful touch to shady areas. Don't be fooled by its delicate appearance. Pretty sedge is surprisingly tough. It tolerates a wide range of conditions and thrives in both dry and moist soils. Key characteristics. Size. Grows 6 to 18 inches tall. Light. Prefers part shade to full shade. Soil. Adapts to dry, moist, or average soils, including clay. Bloom. Inconspicuous yellow-green flowers in spring, May, June. Hardiness. Zones 4 to 8. Spread. Spreads slowly by underground rhizomes. How to plant and care for Carex woodii. Planting Carex woodii is a breeze. Choose a location with dappled sunlight or light shade. Amend the soil with some compost if needed, ensuring good drainage. Dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball and settle it in. Water thoroughly and keep the soil evenly moist until established. Here's a quick care guide. Watering. Water regularly during the first growing season, then reduce watering as established. It's drought tolerant once established. Fertilizing. Not necessary, but a light application of organic fertilizer in spring won't hurt. Pruning. Remove dead foliage in late winter or early spring. Pests and diseases. Generally pest and disease resistant. Is Carex woodii low maintenance? Absolutely. Once established, Carex woodii requires minimal care. It tolerates dry periods and doesn't need frequent fertilization. Can I grow Carex woodii in full sun? While it tolerates some sunlight, full sun exposure can scorch the foliage. Opt for locations with dappled shade or filtered sunlight. Is Carex woodii deer resistant? Yes. Deer tend to avoid Carex woodii, making it a great choice for gardens prone to browsing animals. How can I use Carex woodii in my garden? Carex woodii's versatility shines in various garden settings. Here are some ideas. Shade borders. Creates a lush, textural edge along shady walkways or flower beds. Ground cover. Suppresses weeds and adds visual interest in areas under trees or shrubs. Container planting. Provides a graceful accent in shady patios or balconies. What are some good companion plants for Carex woodii? Carex woodii pairs beautifully with other shade-loving plants like ferns, hostas, heuchera, coral bells, and hellebores. Carex woodii versus other shade-loving plants. A quick comparison. Feature Carex woodii hosta heuchera, coral bells, foliage type fine-textured, green large, broad leaves rounded. Lobed leaves bloom color inconspicuous yellow-green lavender, white-pink, red, white spread slow moderate to fast moderate deer resistance yes, most varieties. Choosing the right plant depends on your specific needs. Carex woodii offers a low-maintenance, textural option, while hostas provide bold foliage and showy blooms. Heuchera adds a pop of color with vibrant flowers and interesting leaf shapes. I hope this guide has given you a better understanding of Carex woodii. This charming sedge is a valuable asset for any shade garden, offering beauty, ease of care, and a unique textural element. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance plant to add a touch of elegance to your shady corners, consider giving Carex woodii a try.